Good morning, Genies and today's esteemed visitor.
Good morning! Good morning, genies and visitors!
Good morning!
Friends, we are going to talk about green revolution. Don't worry, I'm not talking about Verghese green revolution. We are talking about our BNI green revolution.
We are going to talk about our chapter. We always say BNI is nothing but farming. Vijay.
Yeah. Dear friends, look at this picture. And write down all the mentioned numbers in the slide and do addition of it. Other?
Can you do that? I think, friends, you are puzzled. Are you?
Yes.
I can say that you can write down everything, whatever is written over there, immediately after we give certain concepts to you. Vijay.
Yeah. Many times we see lot of complex situation, but someone who is experienced person show us a way to handle such situation. Generally, some techniques are used and the problematic situation appear to be very simple.
Can you see this now? Does this sound or seem to be very logical?
Yes.
Now you can identify that the first column starts from 1 to 0, the second column starts with 2 and ends at 1, third from 1 to 2. Do you find this is very easy now to understand?
Yes.
Earlier situations were little bit hazy and distorted. Once things are put in proper structure, it makes a lot more sense. Vijay.
Prabhakar, where is Prabhakar from? Yeah, now if you tell you to write it down and make an addition, will you be able to do it?
Yeah.
Vanita, HR, is it easy?
Yeah, it's very simple.
Okay. No, not possible. Can we extend this to our chapter, BNI chapter? As a member, we are also required to different functions, and there are so many aspects of any BNI business unit, and particularly our chapter 2, that so many activities are supposed to be done. Guru, as a new member, do you feel certain challenges when you joined as a member, and how did you overcome about it?
Yeah, definitely. When I joined this chapter as a newcomer, I was quite puzzled. Because every other guy was coming and introducing himself, and I was introducing myself, and I was like, where do I go from here? How do I move ahead? But later I realized that everybody out here is just to help each other.
Sure.
So this journey is not as difficult or as puzzling as it's like. You don't feel like you're left alone in a crowd.
Thanks, Guru. So basically, you have to give time, and thank you. Thanks. So you have to give time, and you have to understand the structured formula, how it works. The best way to track chapter essentials is to measure it.
Friends, what is measured is achieved. That is what Neeraj always used to say. To make a complex situation simple, our dear LT has made a concept of green booklet and green supporters. This is a green booklet and we have many green supporters. We will come to it.
To make it simpler, we are going to demonstrate how this functions, and we need to check how it happens. Vijay.
Yeah, what happened at BNI meeting? Can anyone share? Sonali?
During the BNI meeting, we are meeting the visitors.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You want me to tell me further?
Anybody else who want to pitch in? What happens, Milind, at BNI meeting?
Exchange references.
Absolutely, Bala. Sure. What else? Please be around.
Money slips.
Money slips. What else?
Closed business. We exchange closed business.
Close business.
Showcasing our chapter.
Valued
Sure.
customers.
And let our referrals know what we are
Great.
looking
So
at.
out of this, we'll take top two important things. And the number one is we give referrals and we receive referrals. What is the core principle of BNI?
Givers
gain.
Be louder, please.
Givers gain.
Yeah, yeah.
This means we have to give first, then only we are entitled to receive. Is it fine? Yes.
So referral received is to be followed and it is recorded in the form of money slip.
Can someone share a story of a long follow-up, a long time follow-up? I mean, make. Hiren. If you can share.
Prashant Kashikar had passed me a referral of Maitriya Group. Probably it was a follow-up about 9 months. And then we cracked the deal. The order total value till today we have billed about 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs. And another follow-up is our ex-member ISS, which I have been doing business since last so many years. Their purchase manager quit, he went to JW, he introduced me there. The other manager quit, he put me on to some other company. another purchase manager who joined in, I developed a relationship. He referred me to another company called SDFC. The total business has been fairly good.
Thank you. Give a big hand to him. Vijay.
Yeah, so this is captured in our green book. Can you refer to the section of the number of referrals given and received? Do you feel that it will be very easy to write this detail so that in case you are not able to find the referral slip, you can always refer to this page and follow?
Yeah. Those who have seen movie Secret will appreciate that whatever you want to achieve and you showcase that in front of you, you definitely achieve. Vijay.
Great. Now I have told you the first thing. Now the second most important aspect of BNI is visitors. And today we have a lot of visitors. May I request you to please give them a big hand.
Friends, what kind of visitors you would like to call? Let's see. You can see there are different professionals. You can see a computer software professional, an architect, an engineer, a doctor, a sportsman, a school tutor, and professor, and golf player, and so many. So don't worry about it, whom to invite. Just invite. Because every visitor के पास कुछ story है आपको बताने के लिए. You can definitely see that whenever a visitor is talking to our members, something is happening in the mind of our members. And they are not just listening, they are actually thinking and implementing in their business. So it's very essential visitors are visiting our chapter. Vijay.
Yeah. So why do we invite visitors? Vineet, please tell me one benefit that you find in inviting visitors. Vineet.
We get to bring out the success stories we have already done with us, and everybody, the members get benefited.
Very good.
Guest, we conduct the meeting for the guest time.
Thank you. Vineet. Prashant, I am always curious. Where is Prashant Kashigar?
Yeah.
How you manage to invite lot of visitors in such a short time?
I want to see my visitor to see our chapter.
Right.
Basically so that they can give quality business to our fellow members. And
Right.
also I tell about this good chapter, enhance your contacts,
Very good.
networking.
Thank you, Prashant. Please give them Vineet and Prashant a big hand.
So can we list down the advantages of calling a visitor? Essentially, BNI meeting is called for visitors. That's the basic. So visitor is the source of business, and we have lot of stories here who have started new businesses fantastically out of BNI reference. There are stories about new members. Is there anybody who is a new member and who never visited BNI chapter?
Not
So essentially, yes. So every member is a visitor at certain point of time. So only visitors get converted into members. You know, visitors provide a lot of updates and trends. Last week, you will appreciate Mr. Gajbee, who was a special visitor to our chapter. He shared an important aspect that we, as a chapter member, should think about business with government, because government doing a lot of business, and we should focus on those kind of business. So this is very interesting and important learning from a visitor. Visitor provide a lot of opportunities for collaboration amongst us and outside the world as well. Enhances visibility plus credibility. What is this equation? Visibility plus credibility is profitability. Ultimately, it helps to increase the network. Vijay.
Yeah. In our green book, please check the leftmost column that take care of your visitor that you intend to invite and the visitor whom you invited and attended the BNI meeting. Believe me, when you start writing down invitees, you will remember many of the friends who can benefit from BNI meeting, and you will be able to invite them. Yeah.
Can someone tell me what is the largest investment they have made in their own business last year? Architect Deshmukh, maybe last year, what is the largest investment you have made in your business? Doctors and computers. Uday?
Yeah.
Sorry, Ullas?
Yeah, I got one mixing mill costing around say 25 lakh rupees for my improving my mixing quality.
Sonali?
I bought a property last year.
Property house. Okay. Vijay?
Yeah. So dear friends, we always try to bring material objects or tangible property as best investment, but we tend to forget the biggest intangible asset that we should invest in. And what is that? It's knowledge.
Where do we see seek knowledge about BNI and your successful membership? Training. What do you think are the benefits of trainings? What are the benefits of trainings?
You get to refresh your skills. You learn to present yourself in the meeting and outside the meeting.
Right. What else?
We cross-check our members.
Yes.
That's the biggest benefit.
Sure. What else?
I heard once when they talked about it's like if you have put sugar in water and if you stir it, okay, it becomes sweet. So training is that stirrer.
Wow, please give.
You have
So I will summarize it. With training, you get a continuous learning procedure. Then you get members. All, as Sushmita said, all cross chapter members. Where here you are not able to meet all cross chapter members. Then you meet a quality people. Like say today our ambassador has come. So hardly he comes in once in a month. In training you can always see him. In regional director, sometimes a Mumbai area director, and many times or rarely national director also come there, and we can share our knowledge. And we can also do lot of networking, some sort of collaboration, some sort of joint ventures. There are many more things when you attend training. Yeah.
Yeah, basically you can identify the Green Books tracks this as well. You can see here where you are supposed to attend a meeting, a training attended. You can provide the details of your training attended. Vijay.
Yeah. Is there anyone in this room who has kept his 8th or 10th standard certificate of sports drama competition? Yeah. Now I ask same question to you people. Have you preserved your textbooks and your notebooks? I think it's a rare case, but still, it's very difficult. We always prefer to preserve the certificates, right? Yeah.
Textbooks of class 6, I have it from 1976.
Do you think a certificate is an important document in your business as well?
Yes. Great. So can you share what are the benefits of testimonials? Dr. Shiba is there? Yes. Yeah, what are the benefits of testimonial, Shiba?
It's make more business. We can convince the patient, other clients actually. It gives credibility to us.
Yes. Yeah.
Dear friends, you will appreciate that everything what needs to be done by a successful member in BNI is already available in this book. Now this is the structured format. What could be a better format than this? This is a very structured format. Everything that you need to have is already in there. I missed out on something else, and that specifically you can find out when you are going to sit with your green supporters. Can I request all the green supporters to stand, please? Let's give a big hand to all green supporters. I will urge all our members to sit with your green supporters and do this exercise on a daily basis, religiously basis, and do it ongoing basis. Vijay.
Thank you very much, and I want you all to see green in next coming 2 months. Thank you.
Thank you.